Hello family, welcome back to my kitchen and thank you for subscribing to this channel. Okay, so this is a quick video that I am making how I make my salad. I mean Ghana salad. Okay, so don't go anywhere, kindly stay in touch and let us prepare this together. Okay, so for the ingredients you need your lettuce, your spring onions, carrots, cucumber, onions, tomatoes, salad cream, ketchup, baked beans, sardine, canned beef, and okay, so we are about to start making our salad, okay, Ghana way. Okay, so this is the ingredient that I use in making my salad, right? If you feel like adding anything to it, you are welcome, you can use it. Okay, that's why it's homemade food. You can subtract or add anything that you want to the salad. Okay, so I've already washed all the ingredients that I am using for my salad. That's the tomatoes, my cucumber, carrot, the lettuce, and the spring onions. I've washed them perfectly well. And please, if you don't have the lettuce, you can use cabbage for it. You make sure you wash all of the ingredients with vinegar or salt. Okay, it really add to the taste of the salad. Okay, and the salad ne deɛ woboa yɛbɛyɛ salad kama. Okay, and I'm about to cut all my ingredients into the size that I want. Okay, I can't wait for the salad. Yeah, about to cut my ingredients into the size that I want. That's my onions, cabbage, carrot, the lettuce, and anything that you want. Just add it, okay? I am done cutting my vegetables. It's very important to put your salad in the colander. Okay, it will help it to drain the water for you. All right, and I added eggs to it. This video is very simple and quick. Okay, recipe of making Ghana salad papabi. Okay, it goes with fried rice, jollof rice, plain rice. You can eat it like that or you can enjoy with bread. Yeah, our salad is done. We are about to mix our salad. Okay, this one there's no instructions. You go accordingly after cutting all your ingredients, soaking them in salt or vinegar. Okay, then you decorate it the way you want. Okay, just simple one. Okay, please, if you are a vegetarian, don't add the canned beef and the sardine or the egg. Don't add it. You can deduct it. You go straight to the vegetables and then you add the mayonnaise or ketchup to it. Okay, do it according to the way you want. So I am about to mix it for myself. All right, so Yeah, I'm about to enjoy my salad with my fried rice. You can also try with plain rice. It's very, very nice. Plain rice and salad. Trust me, very, very delicious. You can try with bread or anything that you want. Yeah, and others add black pepper to it. Okay, if you are the type, you can go ahead and add the black pepper to it. Okay, salad with the obu akra and name it tea bread papa bi. Okay, Pacho, try making your own salad at home. Okay, it saves money, it saves time than to go to the shops to buy salad. Try making your own salad at home. Okay. And for all the ingredients, you can get it in Silpo or Novos. For the lettuce, egg, and everything for your salad, you can get it in Novos or Silpo, right? But thank you to my dear friend Bridget that gave me the sardine and the canned beef. Okay, thank you so much, Bridget. God bless you. And I'm about to enjoy my salad. Thanks for watching this video. Yeah, guys, thank you for stopping by to watch my videos. Thank you for your comments, and I really appreciate them all. Please subscribe to this channel so that when I upload any video, you'll be the one to be notified first. And thank you so much. Okay, and after the rest, I will put it in my fridge, and I will enjoy all of it. Okay, try making your own salad at home. Trust me, the salad is very, very nice and is the exact taste that I want. Eve's Kitchen, a taste of home. Thank you very much for watching my videos and your comments. I am very much grateful to you all. And see you next time with another recipe. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.